Want to completely remove AI features from your Windows PC? In this video, I'll show you a simple method to disable and uninstall all AI components in just a few clicks. First, open your browser and go to the official WinHance website. Download the latest version of the WinHance tool for your PC. Once the download is complete, install the application like any normal software. After installation, open WinHance. Now, inside the WinHance interface, go to the Software and Apps section. This is where you can manage and remove unwanted features from Windows. Scroll through the list and look for all AI-related features and components. This may include things like Copilot, AI assistants, and other smart features. Select all the AI features you want to remove. Then click on the Uninstall or Disable option. Confirm your selection and let the tool process the changes. This may take a few minutes depending on your system. Once everything is done, restart your PC to apply all changes properly. And that's it. You've successfully removed AI features from your Windows system. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips.